Hello everyone, in this speedrun series, I'm going to start with a brand new account and play chess at different rating ladder and climbing the rating ladder. Today's video, the first game is against a 500 plus. I forgot to record the game, so I played them on my phone. So let's analyze the first game. This is against a 500 plus, e4, e5, and here I played d4 just to break symmetry, but you don't need to do that on this server. For just terrible players, you're just going to blend their pieces. So just to put unbalanced, but I'm going to play normal. Play knight c6 already a blender because then I can take the pawn, knight takes. This is to protect the pawn, this type movement. But here I can play f4, I get the tempo on the knight, back. Here I play knight f3, developing the knight, develop knight before bishop. I'm going to expand right move, knight f6. Here I just attack the knight with e5. I get a lot of tempo on his pieces. And here I play queen e2, attacking the knight. Simple as that. And here, already my opponent renders a piece with bishop 5. I just got a free piece and I win the game. I take the knight, d5, attacking the queen. But here there is en passant, king f8. And here I sacrifice just to make the game more interesting. Sacrifice the queen for content. Let's say the position is completely weak. So don't do this at home. You're already completely winning. Here you can just develop bishop, or the knight. Everything is winning. Develop here. But here I sacrifice the queen for content because it's too easy and to give my opponent a chance to win. So queen sacrifice. Here I think many players I'm playing like 500-600. Maybe they win that see what the knight can take the queen. Knight can move backwards and take the queen. So knight takes, pawn takes, and bishop takes. Yeah, a better was queen takes. So get check knight. Bishop takes, back. This is now black is completely winning, but I'm just to try to win by flagging. Bishop e2, play normal, check. This doesn't make any sense. I just play squeak, attack the bishop, castle, play before just attacking the bishop. Just trying to make quick moves and try to win on time. d1 attacking the queen. I played bishop a3, I blended my bishop. I was just trying to play force. I blended this bishop on e2. But okay, and just play knight e2, which I can't win on. I will not be able to win on that board, but I will try to win. And the club b5, check. Okay, one, I win back the queen. Plus, now I'm just going to win on time. 7 seconds and remaining for my opponent. Give a check. I should have taken the queen. I just give check to make quick moves. Knight takes. And here I walk. I give a check. I walk e2. And here I win on time. And as you can see, even a queen down, I managed to beat a 500 plus. So at this level, just don't blender your pieces and take your opponent's pieces. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys later.